Next topic beta is flower and fruit. So first of all, flower is the most beautiful part of plant. Flower are generally we see different size, shape, different color and fragrance. But flower of some plant changes into fruits. And the most common parts of flower we will discuss here with the help of diagram. First of all, flowers attached with the main stem or any branch of the stem with the help of flower stem. The next part of it is receptacle part, from which all other parts like sepal, petals, male part, stamens, female part, pistil arises. First one part of flower which is mostly green in color, these type of leaf like structure which is green in color, that is called sepals. Next part of is it this one, outer one part, that one are generally colored part and their name is petals. Next main two reproductive part are present in plant, that are male part stamen and female part pistil. Male part generally consists of two parts, anther which having pollen grains which act as a male gametes, and filament part which is generally attached it with the flower. Here female part is generally consists of three parts, upper one part stigma part, middle part style part, and here downward part ovary part where ovules present which act as a female gametes. Okay, now in detail structure of the flower. First one, sepals. Here you can see green color sepals. Outermost green leafy structures in flower is called sepal. Sepal protect the flower when it is in bud stage, when it's not still opened. Sepal is the most part of a flower is an open flower. Next thing is petals. This one which is here shown purple in color. The leaf like colored part next to sepal is called petals. Most of the flower petals are pleasant fragrance and their bright color also attract the insects for pollination. About pollination we will read in next topics. Next part is stamen. This one part, stamen. Many little stalk with swollen top part, this one swollen top part around the center of flower is called stamens. Stamen are a male part of plant. Each stamen consists of a thin green stalk-like filament with the upper side bag-like structure. This bag-like structure called anther. Anther carries several pollen grains. Pollen grains are dust-like particles which take part in reproduction. Here also you can see this one part, upper one part is anther and lower part stalk is filament. Next we will read about pistil. Pistil is a generally female part and it's a flask shaped structure in the center of a flower. Okay, and its another name is carpel. Another name of that pistil is carpel. So pistil is generally a lower broader portion of the pistil is generally ovary. Here you can see ovary. Lower broader portion of pistil is called ovary and narrow upper portion of the pistil, this one portion is called style, center one part called style, and upper top one portion which is called stigma. This is sticky. Why is it sticky? Because pollen grain fall on it and attach to it due to its stickiness. Okay, so ovary, the lower part, ovary contains small female sex cell called ovules. The next thing is a flower are developed into fruits. Flowers are developed into fruits and form seeds by the process of pollination. So what is beta that pollination? The transfer of that pollen grains from anther to stigma is called pollination. And after pollination, that ovule changes into seed and full ovary part develop into fruit in some plants where fruit are present. Next thing beta, function of flower. Main reproductive organ of plant is a flower. Ovary develop into fruit and ovule develop into seed, and seed are used for next generation for growing again plants. Flower is also source of perfume, and flavoring foods and medicines, and nectar from the flower is used by honeybees to prepare honey. So beta, with this our chapter is finished. Next activity is not in our syllabus.